Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul, and I'm super excited about this haul because I found so many good stuff, especially for Halloween or fall decorations, that I'm super excited to share. Anyways, my love, let's just jump straight to the video. I'll start with a few decorations that I found for my beauty room. So this one is the first one. I'm super excited. I wanted to use this for my vanity. My new vanity should be getting home soon, and I'm super excited. I will be filming a video for you guys once I set everything up so I can share my new vanity, my decorations, and my makeup collection with you guys. Anyways, this is the first little decoration that I found from my room. On this beautiful one, it's just a high heel, makeup brushes, perfume, and a lipstick. I just love this. I've been looking for this wall decorations for a while now. This one is just this one, really simple, but again it's stunning, and I love the color theme that I found. Bedroom room decoration is all blue and red, so I found this for my room. This one is the first one, and this one is the second one. Again, this is the colors of my bedroom. I use this kind of blue with red, and it looks stunning. And then I found this new little wall decoration for my laundry room. I just thought it was stunning, and I just need to pick up more stuff for my laundry room since it's super simple. This next item is just for my kids' room. It's basically a light of dinosaurs. You're supposed to see the dinosaur on the ceiling, so I thought that was a great little buy for $1. They're gonna be super happy and excited to have this at nighttime. I think I'm gonna use it for my front door, but this is what it looks like. It says thankful and blessed. I'm so excited that I found this for my front door, and it's a pretty good size. Again, you can always get this somewhere else, but it's gonna be for sure more than $1. So if you see it at Dollar Tree, pick it up because they sell really fast, and it's a great material. Next little wall decoration for my laundry room. This one says wash away your worries. I thought it was stunning. I love the color of it. It's like a blue color. I just thought it would look nice, and I love what it says about worries. Sometimes we worry so much about smaller things, so I thought it was a great buy. Again, it says wash away your worries. Little decoration is this one right here. This one's super cute. This one says hello fall, and look how beautiful it is. It does stand up, so you can use it on your dining table, or you can also use it on your wall or wherever you want it. It's just stunning. I loved it. Again, this kind of decorations are Hobby Lobby are more than $5 for sure, so I was so happy to found this. My house is gonna look super stunning, and I only spent a few dollars for fall decorations. There's just random finds, but I wanted to share with you guys anyways. This one says it's scrub bodies, and it comes with 6, so for $1, again, it's a great buy. You can use it for cleaning your restroom, your dishes, whatever you like to use the sponges for. But I thought it was a great buy, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Random item, I found this at Dollar Tree. I never seen this before. I believe it's new, but if you see it, you must get it because it will sell really fast. If you guys know that puppies pads are usually $7 for like 12. I was able to find 4 of them for $1, so yeah, I was super excited because we go through this like crazy, especially for my little puppy that we're trying to potty train. So I did pick up 2 of them for now. Wall decoration for my beauty room is this one right here. I recently found this at my Dollar Tree, and I was super excited. It just goes super well with all the theme that I want for my new vanity, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. I can't wait for that. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my vanity tour and my makeup collection coming up very soon. This time I was able to find more hair accessories, and this one is the first one. I just love the color. It's like a rose gold, a black, and a silver one. I was able to find these shapes as well, just like hearts. Again, the same 3 colors. And then I also picked up this bigger hearts, the same colors on all 3 of them, but I'm just obsessed with them. I think they're gonna look stunning. So yeah, these are the 3 different ones that I was able to find. And I never seen this before, so I was excited, and I hope it works. But this is just a false eyelash applicator, and I was able to find it in the color pink. So I was able to find more lashes, and these are the styles that I got. I found this pink one, And then I did pick up 2 of them just because it's hard to find them. They always sold out super fast. And then I was able to find this red one. And then the interesting part about these lashes is that it says it's 100% handmade, so I thought that was really neat, and I needed to pick them up. But these are the 2 styles that I was able to find. Not that they only carry lashes, but they also carry eyelash glue, which I'm super excited. I hope it works. I mean, for $1, you guys know that lash glue is super expensive, so I did pick up 2. I really hope they work, and I'm gonna be sad if they work great because I should have picked up more. For $1, it's hard to find eyelash glue. I'm sure you guys know that the eyelash glue is about $7-8, sometimes even more for a little tube. So maybe I should have picked up more, but that's my fault. Anyways, I hope it works. I will leave it down below in the comment section if it worked for me. But this is what it looks like. It is by the same brand as the lashes. And then on the makeup section, I was able to find the LA Colors, and this is just a color lip gloss. So it's supposed to be a gloss, but it's supposed to be this color, so I hope it works great. I was able to find 3 different shades. I found this nude shade, then I found this intense like red shade. I also found this stunning color. It's like a maroon shade. I love the shade on my skin tone, but this is what they look like. I really hope they work nice. Another product that I found at the makeup section is this beautiful auto eyeliner, and it's just in the color black. Again, it is by the LA Colors brand. I also picked up this style of lashes, and these ones are by the brand ColorMate. They also come with a little bit of eyelash glue, but I tend to just throw it away. I don't know. So I did pick up 2 of them. I hope they work. This one do look a little bit more fake than the other ones. The other ones are a little bit more natural, but sometimes you just need, with a dramatic look, sometimes you need this kind of lashes. So I hope they work great. I heard great things about this, but these ones are by the LA Colors, and it's a eyeshadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and they just look stunning. I was able to find the color in the color purple and in the color silver. Okay? I heard great things about it, so I hope it looks stunning as they said. If you guys saw my last Dollar Tree haul, I mentioned how obsessed I was with the LA Colors powder, pressed powder. So I was able to find a different pressed powder, and this one is by the ColorMate, and I did get in the shade Natural Beige, but it's like, I hope I love it as much as my LA Colors pressed powder. I was able to find more hair accessories. I picked up 2 of them, but this is what it looks like. It's just in the color brown, and this kind of hair accessories look great. Look super stunning, it looks super chic. I just love them so much. I had to get them in the color brown. Okay, next little item for the lips. This is just a lip, it's like a lip crayon, and this is what it looks like. It's by the brand Flower. I know this brand is kind of expensive at the drugstores, so I had to pick it up. Hopefully it works great. I love the shade of it, so I hope it works really nice. And I found a little bit of items for nails. Again, I'm trying to do my nails at home so I can save some cash, but this is the first item that I found. This is a nail polish holder. You basically just put it in between your fingers, and you can hold the polish while you do your nails. I thought it was a great buy. For $1, you can beat it. Also, I found this acrylic nail tips to start doing my nails. These are gonna come super handy, and it does have 80 of them for $1. Okay, my loves, next item I'm super excited to share with you guys because I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna be using these items for my vanity, like I mentioned before, and this is just a wine glass, but I'm gonna be using it for my makeup brushes. But this is what it looks like. It just says Hello Georges, and it has beautiful lashes. To pick up 2 of them. Next little items, I found this at the candle section. They're supposed to be for candles, but again, I'm gonna be using it for my makeup brushes. And these little candle bases have the same color. They're white and black, but they have different little designs. This one is a polka dot, and then this one's are stripes, but one is horizontal, one is vertical. So I can't wait to place all my makeup brushes in these 3 little containers. Then I was able to find this coffee cup, and it just says Fate on it. I think it's stunning. I love everything about it. I love the quote. I love the colors and I think it's great for work. We drink a lot of coffee at work, so I needed one of these for sure. I also forgot to mention these beautiful coffee cups, but this is what it looked like. It just says all you need is love and coffee. These little lipsticks at Dollar Tree, and I'm super excited to test them out. They are by the brand Flower. It was just hard to see the color since all the lids are pink, so I thought they were the same shades, but no, one of them is red and one of them is like a fuchsia pink. But yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. Super stunning. And then my last item, but I'm super excited to share with you guys, and please get your hands on this because they're gonna sell out super fast. But it's just these little cinnamon sticks. They're always great to have them, especially on the holidays. And the good thing about these little sticks is that they are super scented. These little sticks will make your house smell great. You can put them in your restroom, in your living room, in your kitchen, anywhere you really want them, and your whole house, as soon as you open the door, I promise you're gonna be smelling cinnamon. If you hate cinnamon, I do not recommend them because they are really strong. But if you don't mind and you love smelling cinnamon, especially on the holidays, you need to get your hands on this because they will sell out really fast. So that was my last item. I hope you guys enjoyed this long Dollar Tree haul. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. I love you so much. Until next time.